This is Cura by Arachnid Design, presented by myself, Zirak Beg, Tennille Forbes, Ibrahim Chai, and Ubaid Kakti. Mental health disorders are a leading burden of diseases among children aged 5 to 14 years, with 50 to 80% of all adult mental health disorders emerging before the age of 18. In South Africa, stigma and low priority contribute to little interest in child and adolescent mental health. Mental health care in children is a major issue in South Africa. Lack of awareness and support and minimal accessibility to care exacerbates the problem. Furthermore, technology is not being fully utilized to assist in this area.
The objective of the app is to create and provide a more holistic approach to child mental health. The feature-rich application will allow children to contact a counselor via text chat and enable guardians to book and meet with a psychologist. The app will feature a resource hub with relevant and credible information on mental illnesses and local facilities. The platform implements a digitized booking and reporting system on the Psychologist Dashboard, which allows them to view patient profiles, create customized tests, and generate graphical representations of data.
There are 4 main users of the system, namely psychologists, counselors, children with mental illnesses or conditions, and concerned parents or guardians. The normal usage of the app requires a guardian, child, and a psychologist to register on the system separately. After registration, the guardian can link the account to their child account. After the link is in place, the guardian can find a suitable psychologist for the child in order to book an appointment. Guardians and children can chat with the psychologist or counselor. Only the guardian has the ability to add or cancel a booking for the child, whereas the child can only view their appointments. Child can also log their daily mood via the mood tracker feature on the application. Both the child and the guardian can view the resource hub, which provides detailed information on different types of mental health issues and problems. In addition to that, all the users can update their account details if they wish to do so. On the web app, psychologists can register, log in, and once logged in, can edit their profile when necessary. Psychologists can view their upcoming bookings as well as a list of their patients. They can view a specific patient's profile and make notes to help them keep track of a child's treatment. Psychologists can also view the weekly mood trend of a patient as well as appointment attendance. They can also create custom tests, assign them to patients, and view test reports. The value added by the solution comprises of 3 parts. The system helps to promote and raise awareness to children's mental health. It provides children access to mental health care practitioners. And it automates and improves the workflow for the psychologist by digitizing patient management and bookings, as well as generating a graphical representation of data for processing.
So let's get into it. We'll start by registering a new counselor. Since we have to wait for admin approval, let's log in with Sue the psychologist. This is Cura's web dashboard, where psychologists and counselors, as well as the admin, do their work. Each user has a personalized dashboard homepage. The psychologist is able to view an overview, which includes appointment and patient details, analytics, as well as recent chats. The child profile page provides information on the particular child, including personal details, focus points set by the psychologist, tests completed, upcoming appointments, the weekly mood trend, and their attendance. The notes page enables psychologists to write and save notes related to the child's appointment, test, or as general feedback to the guardian. Psychologists are able to chat with their patients if needed. Using the calendar, psychologists are able to keep track of all of their past and upcoming appointments, as well as edit their available hours should they need to. The resource hub, available to all users, provides credible information on different types of mental health issues. The reports page provides vital insight into the psychologist's patients, highlighting information such as appointments, mood average, age, focus points, and more. All dashboard users are also able to manage their profiles. On the app side, Cura features a friendly onboarding process allowing both children and guardians to register and log in. As a long-time user of Cura, Paula already has an account. She wants to register an account for her daughter Bianca. To assist guardians with child accounts, we've allowed them to register on their behalf. Cura's picture password makes remembering passwords easier and fun. Guardians are able to set up consultations with a psychologist of their choosing. Back to the psychologist, we see here the upcoming appointments for Bianca. Should the psychologist choose, they can set up video consultations with the patient. Cura features the ability to create custom tests to help psychologists better understand their patients. Assign the tests to them, and as well as view reports. Returning to the app, children are able to log their moods daily to assist in progress tracking, and submit any tests assigned to them by the psychologist. When the time comes to attend the consultation, Cura allows users to meet virtually via video. For demonstration, we'll use a real phone. Guardians are able to track mental health progress of their child under the reports tile. Since Tabo has been using the app for months now, let's have a look at his reports, which includes mood tracker trend, attendance, feedback written by the psychologist, and recommendations generated by Cura. Resource Hub makes an appearance on the app too, offering information on different types of mental health issues to guardians, as well as a simpler explanation to children. Children may also register themselves. Children also have the option to manually enter in a password. They have access to the same mood tracker and resource hub, but also Counsellor Chat. Let's visit the counsellor. Trained counselors assist and advise children. The Counsellor Dashboard, like the Psychologist Dashboard, provides an overview of their chats as well as reports on them. Chat interface enables the counselor to speak to their assigned children. As well as assign a focus point for reporting. Should the newly registered child wish to pair with a guardian in order to make a psychologist booking, the guardian would have to scan the child's QR code. We'll close off with the admin, who has an overview of the platform in general, with reports on all appointments, paired accounts, account approvals, and more. With account approvals, admins are able to check whether registrations meet the requirements for using the platform. Admins are also able to create standard tests and write up additional problems for the Resource Hub.
As highlighted by the demonstration, South African children whose problems stem from the home have a very limited amount of access to mental health care practitioners. Additionally, a minimal focus on children's mental health care has led to a lack of awareness and information about disorders, treatment, and available facilities. Consequently, many children who suffer from mental illness carry these conditions into adulthood unnecessarily. The app provides a platform where mental illnesses in children can be treated sooner rather than later. Furthermore, it will help the limited amount of child psychologists and social workers to extend their reach, especially to children in poorer households who may not have access to these facilities otherwise. Thanks for watching.